everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and today I thought I would show you some ways that I'm going to decorate my packages just to give them a little extra special look. And so I thought I would invite you along and show you some of the ways that I'm going to do that. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is on this package is just how to tie a bow and make it look extra special on the package. So what you need for that is some wired ribbon and your scissors. And so I'm going to use this on this package here. And you need to cut it about 4 times the length of your width of your package. Okay, now fold your ribbon in half. And you're going to put the middle in the middle of your package here. Then you're just going to flip your package over like this, and then you're going to twist and pull the other side through. Now if your ribbon is not double-sided, you'll have to twist to make sure that the nice side is out, the right side. Then you flip your box back over, and then you'll twist again. Now you're just basically doing loops for a shoelace type of bow. So you don't want to tighten it too tight because you're going to pull another loop through. So you just make your bow, pull your ribbon through. You don't want it to be too big, depending on how much ribbon you cut. Then you're going to take your end and pull it back through again to make another loop for your bow, just like this. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing with this other side. Okay, like this. And then you'll pull on your loops to tighten it. And then you work your bow around to make sure that it's all pretty. And then you can actually tape down or fasten down your tails if you want to, however you want to do it. And there you have it, a really cute bow. Makes your present look very festive. And then you just trim your tails the size that you want them to be, like that. Okay, for this package, this is kind of a long, slender package. I'm going to use this ornament. It's from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this ribbon that is red and green. And I want to have long tails. So basically, I'm just going to take this ribbon and I'm going to make a loop in the middle and a loop over here. And I'm going to twist them around each other. And some people tie their shoes this way. So I'm just going to, and I'm using ribbon that I have, you know. So don't feel any pressure about that. You can just take what you have and dress it up. All right, and then you kind of work with the bow a little bit. As you know, you probably have to work with bows a lot to get the look that you want. And so basically, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this ornament in the middle of it like this. And then I'm going to put it on the package like this. So you can see how it's going to look. And I'm going to fix that up real quickly and show you. Okay, so this one, you can see how cute it is. And you know, you can adhere things with glue dots, you can adhere them with tape, even if you don't want, you know, like you can use hot glue, whatever you'd like. But these are just some ideas to help you decorate your gifts. So I'm going to show you another one. Okay, for this present, I'm going to use something a little different, and this is called 3D Shimmer Embellishments. They light up, and I'm going to put them all on the top of this box here. These are from Tuesday Morning that I bought last year, and I'm going to put them on this box, and I thought that would be cute. So I'm going to do that, and of course I'll light it up when I give it out, right? So basically you would just decide where you want your snowflakes to be and kind of adhere them, and then just light them up when you're ready for them to shine. So I'm going to put those down real quick. Okay, so this is how this one turned out. Isn't that cute? It's adorable, I think. But anyway, so, and then I put the little tag here. It kind of blends in. Little deer. This one's to be opened on Christmas Eve. Do you guys do that? Do you guys do one present on Christmas Eve? Comment down below and let me know what your tradition is on Christmas Eve. Okay, for this gift, it's for someone that I know, and I want, well, of course, all my gifts are for someone that I know, but I'm wrapping it for that person. So I'm going to take this beautiful star that is from the Dollar Tree that I had picked up in the past, and then I have this red velvet ribbon that I'm just going to do the cross, like across here and then across here, and then I'm going to put the star in the center. And that's what I'm going to do for this one. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so for these large ornaments, for them to stay on the package, I did have to hot glue this one down, but I just put a little bit on the tips to hold it down, and it is really beautiful. So this is just another idea of something that you can do to decorate your package and give it that little extra. Okay, so for this gift, we're going to make a cute little bow like this. This is just really just little cut pieces that we put together. And it's kind of a, I don't know what you would call it, even like a shredded bow. Anyway, it's really cute, but I'm going to show you how to make it. You just need 2 types of ribbon and something to wrap your ribbon around. And I've just got this piece of, this pad of paper here. And so I'm going to use that, and you go around it 4 times. That's 1, 2, making it a little bit bigger than the one I just showed you. 3 and 4. Okay, so then you cut your ribbon here, and you're going to take it off of here like this. Just take it off. Slide it off, but don't lose the wrapping. In other words, keep them in order. Then set your your form aside, and you're going to squeeze in the middle. And so then you're going to take a piece of your ribbon, and you're going to wrap it around and tie it off. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so basically squeeze it in the middle like this. Take your piece of ribbon, and you can squeeze it down or fold it in half. It doesn't really need to be wide. And then you're just going to tie it in a knot and pull it tight. And you can always trim those pieces off. Okay? Okay, so the next thing you're going to do after you've tied that in a knot is you're going to cut through all the ends, and then you're just going to make it into your bow. I guess it's kind of, to me, just like a scrap bow almost, but you do have to trim your ends, give them like a cut to diagonally, makes them look a little bit nicer on your ends. And that's what creates that cute little bow. And I like it. So I thought I would share it with you. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to trim diagonally on all your pieces like this. Okay, once you have all your diagonals cut, you just start forming into a bow, and that's just basically pulling and stretching each layer and pulling it up and all of that. And so I'm going to do that real quick, just giving you the idea of what you need to do to create this little scrap bow, I'm going to call it, because you could use all kinds of ribbon for it. And just pull and stretch and the different layers, and then pull some up, and then before you know it, you have like this really cute little interesting bow, and you didn't even, you know, it wasn't something you bought, you made it yourself, and it's really pretty. And I am using wired ribbon, by the way. So then you just have this cute little bow like that, and then you can put it on your package. And that's what I'm gonna do. And there you go. There's my bow. So I know that I've given you a few different ideas, and I could go on and on. I'm sure that you're wrapping right now and everything, but I just wanted to show you these ideas, and you know, like if you'll use any of them or anything, I'd love to know or see your creations. And I'll just show you one more time the different packages that I've put in the video. Okay, here we go. Here is the silver one with the lights, and the tall long one with the ornament in the center, just the loop bow. And then here is the double loop. And then this one I'm calling the scrap bow. I don't know what anyone else would call that. And then the star with the big ornament on the present. So if you would make any of these, or if you, I know you're busy wrapping, hope these give you some ideas. Which one do you like the best? Personally, I love this one, the scrap bow, looking scrap bow, and I like the double bow the best. But then of course this one's adorable with the lights. And so I don't know, it's hard to choose, but anyway, I'd love to know what you like and what ideas you have for making your presents look really, really special this year. So anyway, comment below, and thanks for watching.